Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the degree of grinding of your KitchenAid KF8, KF7 or KF6 fully automatic espresso machine. If you like to have a nice looking creamer on top of your beverage, for example here this is an espresso, and the espresso is the origin, the basic of all your beverage on that KitchenAid machine. In this case, there is a mill built in this fully automatic coffee machine. And if this mill is not right adjusted in the degrees of grinding, you will get problems with your creamer, with your coffee, with your beverage, of course. To adjust this, we will need a cap, for example here, a cap underneath, because it has to be work while we make this setup. And we have to remove the surface area on the right side of the machine. And then we can have a look inside this area over there. Let's zoom in a little bit. And here you can see there is the tamper area and the brewing unit. And here over on the right upper side, there is a lever, okay? This lever, this is the degree of grinding adjusting knob. And we have a right and a left area to choose. We can go slide left, and of course we can slide to the right side. If we are going to slide to the right side, it is a rougher grinding level. Yeah, if you're going to the front side, that means on the left side, it's a fine setting, okay? Here we are. This lever, we can push forward to the machine forward. That means a finer grade of grinding. And the other side, it is the opposite side. Okay, but this is only possible if we are going to use the mill. If the grinding process is in process itself, we can adjust the grinding level. Not if the mill is not working. That means we place a cup underneath, we go and switch to an espresso, we go to make the strength level on the upper on the area of the strength level up, because then it grinds longer. Then we go down with that setting, so strength level up, volume it's wane and spot is wane and so on, because we only need the moment of grinding. And if it is grinding, we make the setup process. For example, if your creamer have a prop, that means the creamer is less, then the adjustment of the mill is much too fine. You go to the other side. If the creamer is too dark, okay, that means the same. Maybe it's too much, too fine grinded. Or of course it is too the bones, the beans are not good, of course. And if the creamer is too shiny, then we are too rough on the way. Okay, that means fine adjustment and the other side adjustment are possible. If the creamer is too less or too dark, you have to go to the right direction. If the creamer is too shiny, or it is of course there drips not enough water out of the machine, then it is too fine and we have to go to the opposite side. But only to adjust this, we have to perform the grinding. So now let's adjust. We push there to start. And if the grinding job is in progress, we will use that lever to adjust the mill. Let's start. Here. Now, adjust. And this is possible to go right or go left. And of course, you should only go 1 or 2 steps, not the entire way. Because on the right side, to the mill adjustment, you have four options, and on the fine side, on the left side, there is a possibility to go for. Okay, so we are going to make a setup in the rough area to the right side, the fine area to the left side, but only adjust it while the grinding job is in progress. And so you can reach the right grinding status for your perfect coffee creamer on your KitchenAid machine. And this looks really good. Oh yeah, that's how to perform a right mill setup on your KitchenAid. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun, dun.